So this is a question that we get asked, and I don't know if you get asked this a lot. I get asked this a lot. We were talking to a customer and they have a very simple workload that they want to move to the cloud, and they asked which was better, AWS or Azure, which cloud should they go with? And honestly, for a workload at that level, you're just a VM, I could not split the difference. Mm-hmm. And I know both the cloud vendors will defend their position with absolute vigor, but really, I think for a lot of customer use cases, they're both very good platforms. They're both robust, they're both reliable, they're both absolute enterprise. I mean, both of them have multi-billion-dollar companies using them.
Yep.
I think you'll find that most of the Fortune 500 in the US use both.
Yes. Also, it's a skill set for the customer, right? So predominantly, if the customer's used to having a Microsoft sort of an infrastructure lens team behind them, they're not really going to transition to a DevOps sort of a style overnight. If it's, like you said, a simple VM and they're already using Microsoft products and it's something like that, if they want to explore AWS, then they can. But I'm with Lucas on this one. It depends on the customer's requirement, really.
When so many of the platform features and functions are the same, it's very hard to go, this one is just unarguably, definitively better.
Yes.
They're different. They have different strong points. I know that it's a bit of a cliche, but AWS do play really well in that dev and software engineer type space. Whereas Azure, I think, have a stronger message to the sort of the IT market. They just use words and they use language that each of those two camps are familiar with. And I know that they're both trying to break into the other camp, but that's a tough sell.
That's right.
I think it's just whatever people are comfortable with. And really, there's nothing you can achieve in one that you can't achieve in the other.
Correct.
Like, it might be slightly easier or, it might be a little bit cheaper, but really, I mean...
Ultimately, they both offer the same outcome.
Yeah, that's exactly that. Well said. Yeah. You can achieve the same outcome in either platform.
That's right.
Yeah.